Touch Clinic. I am a consultant gynecologist. The Touch Clinic is a very advanced IVF, cosmetic gynae and high-risk pregnancy center. I am going to demonstrate to you today the use of CO2 laser machine in cases of stress urinary incontinence, that is the leakage of urine by coughing and sneezing, and also in cases of recurrent infections, postmenopausal dryness and laxity of vaginal area. Now this is the CO2 machine. For the purpose of anonymity, we are not going to disclose the brand of the machine. Now CO2 machine is a very nice device. This is the probe which is used. Now these are disposable probes which are used in every woman separately for the hygienic purpose. This goes and fixed over the top of this probe, and also this is a protector which is used separately in all the patients. Now when the machine is ready, we change the probes and we put the setting for the stress incontinence or the rejuvenation as is required, and then this probe is inserted into the vagina. So as you can see, this is the model of the female pelvis. This is the uterus, this is the vagina, here is the urinary area, bladder and the urethra, and this is the rectum. Now this probe is inserted into the vagina like this, and then with the help of these controls, it goes inside the vaginal canal. Now this is a very highly advanced robotic probe, so as it touches the cervix or the posterior fornix, it stops and measures the length automatically, and then when we press these buttons on it and it gets set, then there is a foot pedal which on pressing it keeps on rotating, and at 1 centimeter this mirror transmits the CO2 laser inside the vaginal canal. It's a very painless, very easy procedure and takes just 10 minutes, and after that patient can go home easily. So it is one of the very hygienic, very comfortable procedure for the patients, and there is no cut, no anesthesia, and also it is quite economically viable as compared to the operations, and 3 sittings are documented. We always suggest that one should do at an interval of 1 month 3 sittings, and it is known to cure the stress incontinence by almost 80 to 90%. In repeated vaginal infections also, it has been seen that once the laser is done after the infection has been cured, then the recurrence rate decreases by 80 to 90%. Also in women who are postmenopausal and they have atrophic vagina or dryness and they are suffering from recurrent urinary infections, the sittings of laser treatment helps them. It is a very good procedure. You can inquire about it from us and read it on the internet. Thank you.